Gail Rauscher. I am an assistant professor here at the College of Aviation for Western Michigan University. I've been working with our Advanced Structures and Materials course, and they've been making a mold to get to their final project, which is an actual carbon fiber aircraft. So the first week we wanted to make a mold. So in order to make a mold, we had to start with a casting. We mixed up the casting, reinforced that with some fiberglass so that it had enough strength when it was removed from the mold to actually be used for another mold. The second week, we separated the mold and the casting. From there, we went and put on what's called a slurry. So we combined our resins with our actual dough that we were getting ready to put on so that they would bond together. And the dough, it's a mix of different chemicals, and the students kind of mixed that up like pizza dough, bread dough needed it, so that we could layer that onto our mold so that it would reinforce it, so that we wouldn't lose any of the shape or anything. The next week we separated those two, and at that point they were actually ready to start doing their aircraft layups. They took their carbon fiber, laid it into the mold, vacuum bagged it, and allowed that to cure for 24 hours. Then when that was finished curing, they actually removed their carbon fiber aircraft from the mold, trimmed it to the right size, because of course there's excess carbon fiber on there. Once they trimmed it, they were able to put it together. Let everything sit as one solid aircraft with F-117, make it shine, make it pretty, get rid of all the bubbles that they might have had, and get to their finished product. So composites are the way of the industry now. There's still a lot of sheet metal out there, but there's composites everywhere. It is the wave of the future. They're lighter weight. They're fairly easy to fix. With this process, the possibilities really are endless. If you have something that you want to make, you can make a mold from that, and then you can make more parts from it.